Hold on.
Should I say
Kim, are you recording this?
Show me.
Okay.
I gotta sit not in front of the camera. This is going on there.
No.
There we go. In a land far away, a duck went to the farm to ride a horse in the freakishly awesome tower. Then, while in the magical forest, where little leprechauns prance around and collect zucchini plants for their pet hippo named Honey Buns, and they decided to start singing gospel music all the way down the stairs. I walked into the doghouse and saw Justin Bieber holding hands with his uncle, who is Jamaican. No, wait, who is a unicorn. Like Jamaican. That would be funny. Jamaican. Who is a unicorn? What is that word? Every person at the party liked a pig. Lamp? On the mouse trap in the Congo with the sparkly alligator as they proceeded into the middle of the sewer where much waste was to retrieve the message from the aliens of Uranus. They wouldn't comply with the humans' request to draw a bunny. After that, the girl screamed, "Why did you eat my big bowl of spicy?"